So today I'm gonna be working on the M5. Gonna be switching out the thermostat and do an oil change. So in order to get to the thermostat, you have to remove these. In order to remove these, you have to take all these off back here. Right here to remove these, just gotta get the 10s. There's 3. Also on the other side, 3. One in the middle. Pops right out. Then in order to take those off, you need a 6. Those are the 6 you gotta take out right there. You can see. You got 2 more back there. So once you get those loose, you gotta take that one off and one down there. And then in order to get to the back of these, you have to move the coolant tank, just 2 10s. Then you have access to the rest of the 2. So once all the bolts are loose, just pop it up. So you just pop it up. I'm here to remove this one. And there's another one back there. So there it is. Got them off. You guys want to check out Mike Bmw Motorsport on Instagram. This motor was built by him. Now in order to get to the thermostat, you gotta remove this 10 over here. Go ahead and drain the coolant. So now we're gonna remove this one, 13 over here, to go ahead and clear the thermostat. Now we need a 14 and a 10. Got the 310s out.
You don't have a thermostat.
We don't have a thermostat?
It doesn't have a thermostat.
Damn. See, no thermostat. Yeah, right. Got the new thermostat going in. Got to get the mechanic, Mike, Bmw Motorsport. Check out his Instagram.